Would you like to feel more comfortable and confident speaking in public and really grab your audience so they listen to and remember you? I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and my new online class, PS for Public Speaking, Your Voice Could Be Better, is an avenue for you to learn to authentically express yourself through your voice. Right, Barbies?
Right.
In the last few videos, you may have seen that we will be covering techniques like pitch, having plenty of breath, learning on the playground so you can kick your inner critic to the curb, and having resonance and vocal onsets, along with that pesky issue of stage fright, performance anxiety. Yet, learning to work with both your inner and your outer voice is about so much more than that. It's a way of life, of being in the world, of learning to express your authentic truth in your authentic voice. And I'm here to help. To help you decide if this class is a good fit for you and to answer any general questions you may have about your voice, I am offering a free webinar coming up Friday, October 12th at noon Pacific Standard Time. So, to register for the webinar, just click on the link in the description below. Now, P.S. Your Voice Could Be Better is a small, intimate training with room for only 12 people, so you will want to secure your spot right away. Thank you so much for joining the Barbies and I for this video today. And remember, the world needs your authentic truth spoken in your authentic voice, and I'm here to help. To sign up for the free webinar, just click the link in the description below, and we'll see you then.